DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering whether this is a buy or a sell. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Trump media and technology stock sitting at 35.97. Overall, Trump won, so that has a big factor with Trump media stock. And we can see it hasn't, I mean, it has experienced like 6% increase in price. I honestly thought it was going to experience a lot more. I mean, Bitcoin jumped. Yeah, look at this. I mean, this is not a video about Bitcoin, but, you know, had a lot of influence on that. Honestly, I'm still very open to taking DJT even higher. The only time that I'm actually going to pull the trigger on this thing right now is if I see a decent double break. You know, like, that's pretty much my last step there, that confirmation. If the price doesn't give me it, then I'm not going to buy, I guess. So if you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades for free, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.